In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a client from FreshBooks. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting a client is a housekeeping action you typically take when work is complete and you no longer need that contact in your active list. If you're uncertain, consider whether archiving or simply updating their details might be a better fit. Also, review any outstanding invoices or estimates tied to the client so nothing important is left unresolved. Start by opening FreshBooks in your web browser and signing into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation panel. Find and click on Clients. This takes you to a list of all the clients in your account. If your list is long, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the client you want to remove. Make sure you're selecting the correct record, especially if you have multiple contacts with similar names. Click the client's name to open their profile. On this screen, you'll see an overview of their details and any related activity. Take a moment here to double-check that this is the right client. If you see any open items like unbilled time, drafts, or pending invoices, you may want to address those first so you don't lose track of work or disrupt any billing you intend to complete. When you're ready, look toward the upper area of the client's page for the More Actions menu. It's typically located near the top right. Click it to reveal additional options for managing the client. In that menu, choose Delete. FreshBooks will display a confirmation prompt. Read the message carefully. It's there to ensure you understand that removing the client will take them out of your client list and may impact how you access their client-specific information going forward. If you're certain, confirm the deletion. The client will be removed from your account. If you change your mind after confirming, you'll likely need to recreate the client from scratch, so it's worth being deliberate before you proceed. If you only needed to clean up your active view without permanently removing the record, archiving can be a safer alternative. That's all there is to it. Go to FreshBooks and sign in. Open Clients from the left menu, select the client, open More Actions, then choose Delete and Confirm. Keeping your client list up to date makes reporting clearer, searching faster, and day-to-day work more organized. Thanks for watching. And if you found this helpful, keep your workspace tidy by reviewing your client list periodically so it always reflects the relationships you're actively managing.